So my name is Marina, an Hizmet High School graduate. I am Cambodian. But today, I'm sitting over here and talking to you all not as a Cambodian, but as a global citizen, as a global future. Today, more than 59 million children that are out of school due to various reasons: poverty, war, social and political instability, lack of educational access, and so on. And while I am attending a good university in the United States, more than 59 million children never get a chance to even sit properly studying in a classroom. I am a fruit of an hizmet school, and once and always be. And today I brought with me the seed of my plant, the seed of my fruit, so that we can all today plant it together. But I need to ask from all of you to water this seed and take a good care of it, so that the plant of peace will grow to its fullest potential. It is not only the world leaders, it is not only Mr. Gulen's duty and responsibility. It is our duty and responsibility to make sure that every child is in school and that the world will be in peace through education.